Hi kids!
Today we will learn where do we use is, am, are, has, and have. So let's start. Let's first see where do we use am. I am boy. I am Olivia. I am looking so pretty. I am going to party. I am going to play. I am doing my work. I am having my breakfast. So kids, am is always used with I. And remember, when I is used, it is always written in capital letter. Am is not used anywhere except for with I. Now let's see where is used. He is going to a party. He is having dinner. She is playing piano. She is writing a letter. This is a ball. That is a boat. It is a beautiful dress. He is not eating his food. She is not wearing the hat. That is not my ball. So, we used is with all singular things. A hat, a dress, a person, or a place. We use is with all singular naming words. Now let's see where are is used. You are very nice. You are a good boy. We are going to a birthday party today. We are going to the zoo. We are having lunch. They are not playing with us. They are watching a movie. They are going with their parents. These are my books. These are my toys. Those are not my toys. Those are very big trees. So kids, are is being used with all plural things. That is, plural naming words. Plants, trees, books, these, they. One thing you need to remember here is that are is always used with plural naming words, as well as with you. You are a good boy. You are having dinner. Are is used with you also. Let's revise. We use are with you. We, they, these, those, and all plural naming words. Let's have some examples. You are looking very handsome. We are going to a party today. They all are coming to my house today. These are my pets, and those are your pets. We also use are when we are talking about more than one thing or persons. Oliver and Emily are siblings. Canada and North America are neighboring countries. Mango and apple are my favorite fruits. So we have learned where to use are. Now it's time to learn about has and have. Oliver has a red bag. Emily has a blue bag. Oliver has a bigger bag. Emily has a smaller bag. They have bicycles too. They are going to school together. So kids, has and have are used to tell what does Emily and Oliver have or do not have. Also, has is used when we are talking about a single person, and have is used when we are talking about more than one person. We used has when we talked about Emily or Oliver and not both together. And we use have when we talked about both of them together. They have bicycles. Emily has a smaller bag. Oliver has a bigger bag. So has is used with a singular naming word, and have is used with plurals. Let's learn more about these. Have is used with I, you, we, they, and all the plurals. That is, more than one thing, animal, or a person. And also with I and you. Let's have some examples. I have a storybook. I have a red dress. You have a doll. You have a cute teddy. They have a nice house. They have a cute dog. Now, let's learn where do we use has. Has is used with he, she, it, and the singular naming words. That is a thing, animal, or a person. Here we have some examples. She has a storybook. She has red dress. He has a big ball. She has a big piano. It has 2 big eyes. Lucas has a remote car. So we used has with singular naming words, it, she, and he. So kids, now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.